Hi, my fellow investors. Another week is over. My 21st week of investing is over, and I'm here to give you guys an update. This week has been a down week, so you guys are gonna see a lot of red this week. And of course, for you guys who are new to my channel, welcome to my M1 Finance account called the Moneymaker. This is a dividend investing portfolio. It consists of 80% stocks, 10% bonds, and 10% real estates. Earlier this week, I deposited $200. So let's see how I did this week. Let's go to my stocks first, which consists 80% of my pie. Let's go to my technology, which is 15% of my stocks slice. Nvidia, I gained $15.18, which is 8.68%. Cisco, I gained $4.24, which is 2.98%. IBM, I lost $7.10, which is 5%. Skyworks, I lost $5.62, which is 4.50%. For this week, my biggest gain is Nvidia, which is 8.68% return. My biggest loss is IBM, which is down 5%. Overall, for this week, my technology gained $6.70, which is 1.15% return. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my consumer defensive slice, which consists 15% of my stocks slice. Costco, I lost $4.62, which is down 2.29%. PepsiCo, I gained $1.86, which is 1.27%. Walmart, I gained $2.76, which is 2.40%. Procter & Gamble, I lost $1.37, which is down 1.17%. My biggest gain is Walmart, which is 2.40%, and my biggest loss is Costco, which is down 2.29%. Overall, for this week, my consumer defensive lost $1.37, which is down 0.24%. Now let's go to my industrial, which consists 10% of my stocks slice. For this week, Lockheed Martin lost $5.64, which is 4.87%. Caterpillar, I lost $3.23, which is down 3.60%. General Dynamics, I lost $2.92, which is 3.28%. UPS, I lost $3.57, which is 4.04%. Boeing, I lost $9.07, which is down 10.16%. Waste Management, I lost $2.96, which is 5.03%. Raytheon Technologies, I lost $5.54, which is 9.52%. As you guys can see, all my industrials are red this week. My biggest loss is Boeing, which is 10.16%. Overall, my industrial lost $32.93, which is 5.59%. My earned dividends is 49 cents. This is probably my biggest loss for this week, but we'll see. Now let's go to healthcare, which is 10% of my stocks slice. Johnson & Johnson, I gained $2.66, which is up 1.15%. United Health Group, I gained $2.04, which is 1.33%. Overall, for this week, my healthcare gained $4.70, which is up 1.22%. As you guys know, we'll save no dividend for last. Let's go to my consumer cyclical, which is 10% of my stocks slice. My only winner for this week, Home Depot, I gained $3.24, which is up 2.9%. McDonald's, I lost $6.48, which is down 4.20%. Lowe's, I lost 17 cents, which is down 0.41%. Nike, I lost $1.49, which is 3.83%. For consumer cyclical this week, I lost $4.90, which is down 1.26%. Now let's go to my finance, which is 10% of my stocks slice. So this looks like another big loss. Visa, I lost 64 cents, which is 0.65% down. Goldman Sachs, I lost $7.27, which is 7.32%. JP Morgan, I lost $5.71, which is 7.20%. American Express, I lost $6.47, which is 8.03%. Royal Bank of Canada, I lost $1.68, which is down 4.33%. So my finance this week, I lost $21.77, which is 5.49%. My earned dividends is 16 cents. Alright, let's go to communication, which consists 5% of my stocks slice. Verizon, I lost $3.90, which is down 4.02%. Activation, I gained 54 cents, which is up 1.07%. NetEase, I gained $2, which is up 4.07%. This one did pretty good. My only loss is the Verizon, which is down 4.02%. My communication, overall, I lost $1.36. I did not earn any dividends. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you like how I'm sharing this to you guys, please subscribe to my channel, and also smash that like button. Hit that notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload videos every week. Now let's go to my utilities, which consist 5% of my stocks slice. Nextra Energy, I lost 67 cents, which is down 0.76%. Duke Energy, I gained 20 cents, which is up 0.35%. WEC Energy, I lost 17 cents, which is down 0.36%. Overall this week, my utilities lost 64 cents, which is 0.33%. My earned dividends is $1.04. Now let's go to energy, which consists another 5% of my stocks slice. Chevron, I lost $9.28, which is down 6.60%. Magellan, I lost $1.58, which is down 2.75%. Overall, for my energy this week, I lost $10.86, which is down 5.49%. Now let's go back to my no dividend, which consists 10% of my stocks slice. I added no dividend because I wanted to see how they grow over time. So Tesla this week, I lost $1.87, which is down 2.47%. Amazon, I gained 84 cents, which is up 1.26%. Google, I lost 46 cents, which is 0.81%. Google without an L, I lost 62 cents, which is down 1.10%. Netflix, I gained $1.40, which is up 4.25%. Shopify, I gained $2.49, which is up 8.01%. Berkshire Hathaway, I lost $1.42, which is down 4.31%. Dexcom, I gained 63 cents, which is up 3.3%. Illumina, I gained $1.35, which is up 8.09%. Illumina is my highest gainer for this week, and my biggest loser is Berkshire Hathaway. I still think maybe because of them selling all their airline stocks. For this week, my no dividend gained $2.34, which is up 0.60%. So as you guys can see, most of my stocks slice lost this week. My only winners are technology, healthcare, and my no dividend. For this week, my stocks lost $60.09, which is down 1.54%. My earned dividends is $1.69. Now let's go to my real estate, which consists 10% of my pie. American Tower, I lost $6.29, which is down 3.68%. Public Storage, I lost $11.38, which is down 7.46%. Digital Realty Trust, I lost $12.15, which is down 9.74%. Well Tower, I lost $3.75, which is 7.58%. As you guys can see, all my real estate lost this week. My biggest loser is Digital Realty Trust, which is 9.74%. For this week, my real estate lost $33.57, which is down 6.74%, and I did not earn any dividend. Alright, let's go to my last 10% of my pie, which is bonds. For bonds, I only have Vanguard Total Bond Market. So for this week, my total bond market gained $2.31, which is 0.48%. I did not earn any dividends. So as you guys can see, my moneymaker lost this week. Of course, the only winner is my bonds, which is $2.31 and up 0.48%. But my stocks and real estate lost. My moneymaker this week lost $91.35, which is 1.87% return. My earned dividends is $1.69. So that's it for this week. Yeah, this week just went down. Hopefully next week will get better. I'll see you guys again.
My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andrres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.